Pallet Truck Troubleshooter Guide 101. This is the first in a series of pallet truck fault finding and problem solving videos. If your pallet truck does not lift or raise, please try the following. Ensure the trigger on the handle is in the correct position for lifting. This is its lowest position when it cannot be pushed down any further. Do not use excessive force when doing this. Once down, pump the handle to see if the issue is resolved. If your pallet truck still doesn't lift, progress to the following procedure. Without a load on the pallet truck, squeeze the trigger and pump the handle 20 times, in the same manner as if you were lifting a load. This will bleed air out of the pump. Once you have done this, release the trigger and place it in its lowest position for lifting, and then pump the handle again. The vast majority of queries about pallet trucks failing to lift are resolved by the above simple, quick and easy procedures. As when using any handling equipment, please ensure that you have first had your own health and safety risk assessment conducted.